Imagine if we could turn earthquakes into power, transform the seismic wave that terrifies us every day into sustainable energy, electrical, mechanical, and all kinds of energy. The earth is moving under our feet every single day, releasing a huge amount of energy, unstoppable, raw, and endless. Yet all we do is to let it break us. I've spent months imagining the opposite. What if we built systems that love earthquakes, floors and structures that don't collapse, they breathe, they move, they collect that energy? Think about it, the planet already gives us sunlight, wind, and waves. Why do we call the natural movement disasters and always fight it instead of using it in our benefit? This is my dream, turning earthquakes into power, a new way to see the planet, not as something that attacks us, but as something that powers us. So today I will show you how this idea works and how we capture seismic waves to store their energy and maybe, just maybe, change how the entire world thinks about energy forever. Earthquakes happen when plates suddenly release stored stress, sending seismic waves and mechanical energy through the crust. These waves have different frequencies. Low-frequency waves sway tall buildings more, and high-frequency waves shake short, rigid ones. Heavy concrete moves slowly but with huge force. Light steel moves quickly but softly. Every structure has already its own rhythm, its own way of dancing with the earth. So why not use that motion to create energy instead of just damage? So we integrate mechanical floors and piezoelectric dampers that convert vibration into electricity. When the ground moves, these smart parts flex and generate charge, feeding small batteries or backup systems. Each building, from a hospital tower to a small school, produces power in its own rhythm. One quake, thousands of micro generators, the city literally charging from the earth. So, in my Unity model, a hospital stands on a shaking base. Sliders control earthquake intensity and damper strength. As it vibrates, the display shows energy harvested, displacements, and acceleration in real time. It's a simple demo, but it proves that the concept of visually turning motion into measurable power. This could be crazy, but it's really effective. Imagine hospitals that never go dark, homes that stay powered during blackouts, countries like Japan or Turkey or Singapore turning daily tremors into daily energy. From fear comes fuel, from chaos, clean power. So, if this scales, we could reduce fossil fuel use and carbon emissions dramatically. The Earth's own motion would keep cities alive. No smoke, no fuel, and no waste. The ground that once terrified us becomes our greenest energy source. Next, we test materials, measure efficiency, and integrate with solar and wind systems to build self-powered smart cities. So my vision is buildings that breathe with the planet, not fight it. Why do we always fight disasters like wind or waterfalls? We instead have to use it in our benefit. So next time the ground shakes, imagine not fear, imagine power. The earth is not our enemy, it's our greatest battery. This is turning earthquakes into power, my project, my dream, and a step towards a future where every vibration keeps us alive. Thanks a lot for watching the video.